Washington Street. 1, 7, 3, and 4 World Trade Center. And the antenna spire. Here's One World Trade Center, the Freedom Tower. There's the Vehicle Security Screening Center again, along with 4 World Trade Center. Alright, I am back at Liberty Street and West Street. There's that base cladding again. Looks like a few sections are being added on right now. There's Tower 4 World Trade Center. More glass being done on the bulkhead. Back where I was earlier, so I'm gonna head back out to the Hudson River. Alright, I'm back at the Hudson River. Again, here's One World Trade Center. Get a good look at the antenna spire. Since I've walked all the way around again, I believe I'm going to go now and take a shot at Brooklyn Bridge Park. Since it's been a month, I thought I'd definitely catch up. Another really good shot of One World Trade Center and 4 World Trade Center. Right there, you can see the base cladding right there. And later on, it will wrap around completely. Alright, yeah, so since it's been a month, I'm gonna walk over to Brooklyn Bridge Park and take a shot from there. We will be able to get a better look at the antenna spire from a distance. And yeah, it'll be just a little bonus for you. Alright, I'm gonna start walking right now. Alright, this is North End Avenue and Vesey Street. Another look at the Freedom Tower, One World Trade Center. This side here is the last face that needs to be completed for the HVAC ventilation glass section. Then they can continue to the observation deck floors. Just an amazing, beautiful tower. I can't wait for it. Alright, I'm walking over the Manhattan Bridge. Here's One World Trade Center. Well, it's actually behind this building here. I'm gonna have to walk a little further. Okay, further along down on the Manhattan Bridge, there is 1 and 4 World Trade Center.